I made a video about body scrub and a lot of people were asking me questions. So guys, in today's video I've decided to make another video about body scrub. But in today's video we'll be talking about Arbutin Sugar Scrub. Guys, I will be explaining to you guys how to use this body scrub to achieve a glowing and radiant skin, okay? And I will be sharing with you guys everything about this body scrub so that you will know if it's something that you can try or not. But before we dive into the video, if you haven't joined the family, please do it by hitting the subscribe button, subscribe and join the family. That was so much of your time. Let's dive into it. Okay guys, the name of this product is called Arbutin. This is a body scrub, Arbutin Sugar Scrub. So you can also call it sugar scrub. This is a body scrub. What is a body scrub? A body scrub is a product that you can use to exfoliate your skin. It will help to get rid of your dead skin cells and allow the new one to come up. And when this new one come up and when you use the product, body scrub will help you. When you use the product, they will absorb the product, like your skin will absorb the product into your skin and it will work very effectively, okay? Because I see some persons, they will be like, why is it that my product doesn't work on me? So I'll be like, my product have stopped working on me. Some person will be like, I use a lot of good product but they don't work on me, I don't see the effectiveness. This is because you haven't exfoliated your skin. You need to exfoliate your skin if you want your product to work very effectively, if you want to see results. Guys, Arbutin is a very good, very nice body scrub. Like if you haven't started using Arbutin, if you haven't incorporated Arbutin Sugar Scrub in your skincare product, you are missing out. What I like about this product is the fact that this product contains it contains AHA, 30% of it, and that's a lot guys. It contains it also contains 2% of BHA in it, and this will help you when it comes to glowing and smoothing your skin. So if you're someone that is suffering from a rough skin, because I've also seen some persons, they'll be like that they have a rough skin, their skin are very rough and their skin are very tough, that products like doesn't penetrate, product doesn't work for them. So if you have a rough skin, if you have tough skin or rough skin, you need to start using Arbutin Sugar Scrub so that you will soften your skin, because it's very good when it comes to softening and glowing the skin. This product is also very good when it comes to lightening the skin. It is a whitening body scrub, it is a lightening body scrub. This is a sugar base. Like some persons, they react when they use salt body scrub. Like me, when I use salt body scrub, I react. If I apply a salt body scrub on my skin, it will start itching me. I have to wash it off immediately. So know the one that works for you, whether it's salt base or sugar base. But this is a sugar base, and sugar base doesn't react badly often, okay? So it's a sugar base. It is very good when it comes to whitening the skin. It whitens the skin. If you use this product for a long period of time, like if you create a routine and use this product, you're going to see the effectiveness. It is going to help to lighten your skin. It is going to glow your skin. This body scrub is also anti-acne. If you're suffering from acne, pimples, this body scrub is also for you. It is also anti-wrinkles. If you have wrinkles or fine lines on your face, on your skin, it is also very good for that. It will help to get you. I also love the fact that this body scrub is very good when it comes to reducing hyperpigmentations. If you have hyperpigmentation, you have blemishes on your skin, this body scrub will help to reduce it. If you're suffering from dark spot, you have dark spots all over your skin, this body scrub will also help to get rid of it if you use it for a long period of time, not too long period of time. It works very effectively and it works really fast. It will also help you to reduce strawberry legs. This body scrub is very good. Like it does a lot of things. It helps when it comes to reducing stretch mark. If you're suffering from stretch mark, it will help you to reduce stretch mark. I also love the fact that this body scrub firms the skin. Like if you have sag skin or you want your skin to look very firm, this body scrub will also help you, okay? I use it on my face. I use both on my face and my skin, okay? I don't know, some persons, they'll be like, they have a separate face scrub for their face, and I use it both for my face and for my body, okay? It is very good when it comes to nourishing the skin. It nourishes the skin really well, and it is also a moisturizer. You see, this body scrub doesn't contain bad chemicals in it. It contains mild and gentle organic chemicals. It is also very gentle and mild on the skin. To serve you as a moisturizer. It is not harsh on the skin. How do you use a body scrub? How do you use this body scrub if you want to achieve that glowing radiant skin? If you want to achieve glowing radiant skin, the proper way to use a body scrub is, first, you'll be using it once or twice a week. Okay, create a routine. Know the days you'll be using it. Once is okay, twice is okay. So you'll be using it once or twice a week, and you'll be using it only at night. I'm not saying that you cannot use your body scrub during the day or in the morning. No, you can, but you'll be making use of this body scrub only at night if you want to see the effectiveness of this body scrub. Okay, you will also be using it after you must have showered. I know some persons will be like, which one is better? Is it using it before shower or after shower? You can do the two. Using it before shower, using it after shower, they are good, but I would advise you use it after shower. Like when you are done scrubbing your skin with your soap, you wash it off, then you now scrub your skin with your body scrub before you rinse it off. You rinse it off. Okay, you can rinse it off with warm water. Okay, you rinse it off, you are good to go. Then you apply your product. It is not harsh, it is not going to cause sunburn, it's not going to cause irritation. That's not cause, it is not going to cause that. It is very, very good. Okay, if you use it this way, you'll come and thank me, because you're going to see a very huge different on your skin. You're going to see the impact. There are a lot of things you stand to benefit if you use this body scrub. And if you know product doesn't work for you, if you know that you've used a lot of good products, even expensive products, fine products, they don't work for you, do not panic. Get this. This is a very good product. Okay, get this Arbutin Sugar Scrub and use it. You will love it. It lightens the skin. It's a whitening scrub. It lightens the skin really well. Okay, use it this way. You come and thank me, guys. Please, if you've used this product before, can you leave your experience with it, or you are still using it, in the comment section, guys. A lot of people are using this scrub and it's very nice. If it's not, I will also tell you it's very nice body scrub. Okay, so what's the price of this body scrub? You can get it from 4,000. I hope you can get it for 4,000, you can get it for 5,000, you can get it above 5,000. It depends where you are buying it from, but is from 4,000. It's not too expensive like that, and it is also big. It will last you for a very long time. Yeah, you know, you just need a little, please. When you want to take your scrub from the container, please do not take it with a dirty hand. Okay, you can even get a spoon. You know, you take with your spoon and you take a little, the one you know you can finish, something like that. Please do not use your dirty hand to put in it, so that you will not contaminate the scrub. Okay, so guys, if you have any question, feel free to leave it in the comment section. I don't want this video to be too long. I'm sorry, the light is gonna reflect in here, just bear with me. Okay, so here on my channel, I do product review, talk about skincare, associate tips, how you can grow your own YouTube account. Feel free to check out my videos. You're going to see a lot of videos that are interesting to watch. Leave your questions. If you have any question, please make sure you give me a thumbs up. It will go a long way. See you on my next video. I love you. Bye guys.